Hello and welcome everyone. I am Dipali Khetrapal, an NLP practitioner. I'm here to discuss with you certain core values which may seem small but they play an important role in achieving success in life. Do hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the upcoming episodes. So, we will be discussing the meaning of these values through various examples and stories and how we can imbibe these values and make them a part of our life. Today we'll discuss about the value of forgiveness. To forgive is to stop being angry towards somebody for something that he or she has done wrong. Suppose your friend hurts you in some way and you get very upset and hurt and say, I will never forgive him or her for what they have done to me. We use this word often, but do we know the meaning of forgiveness? So what is forgiveness? Why does it matter? Let's discuss. Forgiveness is about goodness, about extending mercy to those who have harmed us, even if they don't deserve it. It is not about finding excuses for that person's behavior or pretending it didn't happen. Forgiveness is a process. Working on forgiveness helps us increase our self-esteem and gives us a sense of inner strength and safety. When someone hurts us, we start feeling defeated, lost, and start doubting ourselves. Forgiveness can heal us and allow us to move on in life with meaning and purpose. Forgiveness matters, and we are its primary beneficiary. Forgiveness is not something about you or done for you. It is something you extend towards another person because you recognize over time that it is the best response to the situation. Forgiveness does not mean that the pain caused was no big deal. It does not mean forgetting what happened. It means to make sure it does not happen again. It also doesn't mean that you keep a close friendship with the person who hurt or betrayed you. Forgiveness does not erase the past, but looks upon it with compassion. When we withhold forgiveness, we keep emotions of hurt, anger, and blame alive. Forgiving others not only makes you the bigger person, it also benefits your physical, emotional, and mental health. Forgiving others and releasing the desire to get revenge makes you a better person. Forgiveness brings a kind of peace that helps you go on with your life. Here's a beautiful story on forgiveness. Two friends were walking through a desert. At some point in the journey, they had an argument. One of them slapped the other in the face. The one who got slapped was hurt, but said nothing. Instead, he wrote in the sand, "Today, my best friend slapped me in my face." They kept walking until they found an oasis, where they decided to take a bath. The one who had been slapped got stuck in the mire and started drowning, but his friend saved him. After the friend recovered from near drowning, he wrote on a stone, "Today, my best friend saved my life." Now the friend who had slapped and then saved his friend's life was very curious. He asked his friend, "After I hurt you, you wrote on sand, and now when I have saved you, you wrote on stone. Why?" The other friend replied, "When someone hurts us, we should write it down in sand where winds of forgiveness can erase it away. And when someone does something good for us, we must engrave it in stone where no wind can ever erase it." So, moral of the story is, forgive wrongs easily, but remember good deeds done to you. So, our learning can be summed up as, forgiveness does not come easily. We have to make a conscious effort to forgive, and once we do so, we liberate ourselves. Forgiveness liberates our soul. We have heard of the saying that time heals wounds, but time alone is not enough to heal the mental wounds. With forgiveness, time can heal wounds. Forgiveness is the virtue of strong people. This is your friend Dipali Khetrapal signing off. Stay tuned, keep smiling. God bless.